Let's take a look at this folding jab saw that includes 4 blades, made by TOUGHBUILT. It is their number TB-H4S5-23FU. The included blades are an 8 teeth per inch for drywall, a 6 teeth per inch for wood, a 10 teeth per inch for plastic, a 14 teeth per inch multi-use, and then you have a 24 teeth per inch for metal. Now for the blades, you do get this case. It's, well, to say the least, rather cheap, but you do get a case. Kind of hard to open. Well, there it is. Yeah, nothing to write home about. I won't be using it, but it is included. So as with all of TOUGHBUILT's tools so far, they have the nice overmold rubberized surface here. Makes for a comfortable grip. Now, as stated, this is a folding jab saw. So, you've got the control button up on top. You simply push it back all the way. That releases the blade. Allows you to fold it into the body. Now to retract the blade, it's just a simple matter of pulling back on the button, and as you can see, it self-extracts it. It pulls it out for you, which is nice. To remove the blades, it is also very simple, is with this knob right here, this little control button. Pull back on it and pull out the blade. Release and it's locked. That simple. And what's nice about this is here's the blade that it comes in the handle, and you can see the different design up in here. But the blades they also give you are of the more standard Sawzall type blades that I would call those, and those work in this blade. So any Sawzall blade that looks like this with that tang on it works in this handle. Does not have to have the specified little hook up in here. Now, should you desire, you can put much longer blades in. The only thing is they won't fold in, but you can use this handle for long blades. Well, boys and girls, another fine tool by TOUGHBUILT.